Hello friends, welcome to my channel Way2study. So I'm back with my another video. So in this video I'm going to introduce you with C programming or C language, you can tell. So after this video we will upload more videos about topic by topic of C language. So let's start the video. This video is about the introduction of C++ tutorial 0. So let's start the video. So the first question arises here is, who developed C language? C language is developed by Dennis Ritchie. And the second question arises here is, in which year it is developed? So it is developed between 1969 and 1973. So thank you so much.